Up in the weekend, rotura na majita. Pusha that mission, bana bakozita.
Vavia vapfa hoyu mukosi Badive Uri Robo. Yeah. Welcome back to the biggest street talk podcast. Yeah. Ningazela doni dukan sona ni mwana ndo mahungu. Ndina wa bishop ndi wafunzi. Wo bya Venda wo chetereri wawone.
Ikuva Venda kai. Ikuva wa America ngera tovuya.
Ndila khati zange bari mla khati lani ogerwa pala.
Lokhelila maize.
Ange khela khela nthilani bari mini
Brooklyn, it's a Brooklyn ezikhathi.
Queensbridge.
The Brooklyn right now. Welcome back to the podcast. It's a boy man Gale, Mr. Do this all the time.
Yeah, man.
The biggest podcast in Limpopo. It needs very consistent.
Yeah.
Chico flu angoraro. Yeah, hey, dika rotuanyana. Uchipinganyana.
Yeah, rawe yako duruanga muya.
Yeah, the vacation.
Ndo zifazo fi ana ngofara zwa budi Dubai yangi.
Ne hai, ndo byeno ndo wana na.
No kana madi.
Ndikunaona zilobola ngangi. Chapu ngangi ndo byeno. Ukahansa suzwangani.
Ndo byeno wana umbra ruveili.
No mari wazino ngangi. Next tense.
Oh, next tense. Talking about shitensi, man. I had already around the shitensi come multiverse is like 1 million.
Multiverse, man. Oh, in like Nagumuka,
yeah, virtual world. On the virtual world, multiverse. Like it's 1 million. It's not really a mutu, I think. It's going to be like... Yeah, I mean... no, Magzabe will push more about it. But I think it's going to be more like your internet.
Oh, crypto.
Yeah, it becomes like your global thing and... Because ndokobona wakwambura na Fiat na dealership ya Fiat yangena testa na guru. Nadito irira.
Maranisa ko no imane.
No durandoni.
Ndabona na Apple kuita filming ilali.
Yeah, ile ditla one. I think na iko ingangomu, and I know na net bank it's ranga shtensi. Ranga shtensi. Na company ndobona company zobarao zine ranga shtensi zine abori zina shango.
Oh, I think ni mutu uzimazori kuti wana shango la ninge mara no dzwane papasi. Ngona game so. Ni arenga na zviambaro. Nambara ni mutu wa ninge.
Ni mutu wa ninge ngori una case ya mumwene akwambori ovula case ya rape ya ninge. Oh. Akusumesa zori una mumwe mutu nengo mufara zawudi zo perpet ngori what happens in zori multiverse is like you are living in another world mara no dzula hapa. So whatever that is happening hapa langa ngomu niko chimbira
na arali ninganenge na mfumakazi ngoita zone
yeah niko
dizilani hapa no
mbudizo DNA
ni fila hard
there's one that ngozicheka so but yeah man I mean I'm really
technological
enjoying. I enjoyed most of the whole thing. Yeah, the multiverse. Finding myself, experiencing some of the things that.
Yeah, don't know the technology. Hey, what FSS?
What? Okay.
Mojo, what am I talking about? What am I talking away?
So, I don't understand the multiverse, but I think now I have a clue. Since I've been there.
It's a virtual reality world.
Yeah, it's a virtual reality. Yeah, tangana men Gale and Gale.
Ribari sorry and Gale durangorari.
We have a podcast come
Dichimuyan.
Yeah, there are 20 years and
Vinduni.
Mengo chi. You got drengana ziyambara chichincha Gucci.
Na varem shumoni. Aningen.
Yeah, and then
talking
about that. Yeah, happy. Talking about that wakwambo zori multiverse but wako the one na mishuma nenge there's people that is gonna get jobs there
to na mishuma
badiro shuma ngaba kushuma shangoni mara aratamba
koma kushuma shangoni
yeah Because the same way nirakuchilisa yona it's a nyakunotuwa. Your whole life, your mindset, you have a da, and then you live in a different world. Your body is just here. Yeah. No. I was in one of the like I've done. I can call it a conference or something, but yeah, I got. Hey,
kana nichadera nabvura magogorosi simazoni
there.
simazondorha chipingo ringa 6.
I'm still gonna learn. I still want to learn a lot about the multiverse.
Yeah. But to check any multiverse.
Remember, try to think.
Yeah. Hey. Bakubona ntu. Avatar.
Yeah.
Zinaweza kuitwa ka avatar pala.
Kind of thing.
Ni mania ni ngei. Mara chini.
Borasa wako ngota Matrix.
Kana Matrix.
Borasa wako ngota Matrix.
Yeah, Matrix.
I imagine.
So if you go there, then something went wrong.
That's the risk.
Wastaka ni ngei.
The same risk inayojiwa nga wala bana bachisafasi yangi. Titanic.
Wachiko kuna
Ocean Gate. And risk is that. Yeah.
100 was a billionaire. Now we're going to say 5.
That's 5 before. Chola mwacha mwana.
Then we're going to
4. Hey, mara hapa petru abe ala watu kare bono tsanzo usikaruna kana rungananga. Baba no tsaba bonga bathu afala petru. Ngenza chikepe
cheche chila chitu. Chidure chila.
Chinecha chimizwa nga joystick.
Acha chiposana ngachi.
Kazi ningazo yobomo oposa joystick. Oposa joystick kule. Mandi risk ya petru.
Kana ora kotsana ngeya muthi. Hacha. Tamudia hangi.
Na mara ndo chua apala petru chifipo rasone. Munango ninga ngoma nikunuvula. Before njena ngoma madini, padava pani tanga dzibaudu. Pani boferanga dzibaudu.
Ndoza kwamba namshina bva madini ara notsa nosema mfumakadzi. Oya visa extra money. Na dzura nevalanga ngoma.
Anikunuvula ninga ngoma. Ndona ananuvula ndiwanga mda page.
Mara kutukufara sokula kuthumani.
Ndiwanga mda page.
So wao just pictures wao
kuja
kwa staka kwa akiwa
kono kwa staka lengo duva varabamba and ufi arali oxygen yatangana na madhi yala ufi itengo pressure khulu ongwana
yeah obvious and they are free. I think they are freeze not free because that's cold air.
So nalaki yore lathu va wanale fees dokonda va wanale ngori arala nthu yo boma chathi chori na vone vitamin votuka yo zwipida
mara khongo mbudza shaka
ngoma zvino za vathu kana za
vathu kana dzine vakotoda nadzo vachidziveya vachiri abeleno vavona vanafula vachiveya vafira wana kumba la dragoni mara nitosedzana zvivona zori hai auna alivonali rokuti vamapopaya papeti varita chitu china dzitambo nganze chingahakiwa kana shaka ari kufira yambo dzichironga muchira
mara habe
in how many years 100 whatever
mara nikotoda mini nikotoda mini kadzi ancestors dza vathu
ena bela ntu apola ninga ngoma
azina alcohol nyane lutu ndikora zwavo
mara kafeni pate inyanga khona ku flash
ibresque
adarasa kafeni
todo kunwa mushumoni ezvi zvithu kana uchikondomira kula kunthokula kukotsa madini
kafeni haidedzi adzisviki
mara voita mafungula vathu
abenzi wangozori apula pasi auna muthu unosvikawo apala anenge pasi
havahoni ungisvikawo
ndikwamba uri auna muthu ena ngayasvika kusvika
avakobororowa
anitusa ngori utange fasi utosendo dzi robot dzi driver dzingasita dzakadara minzazi kunyongota mini udobera zwithu na mini
because of that presence.
Muna nangori vonani api ngobva kha cold water na jena kha warm na ka hot na kha mamwe sathu zora kuruda kuti mini yange pasi
ndikati kati madhini
Marola director wa
Titanic
uroya so many times.
uroya kutuanga submarine
nangeni lene vola utuwa ngayo
Nazo ezwi.
utuwa ngayo
so ini ngo balo mna chikepe chicho
Utuwa
bidisa kumadhini na tendo tsange pasi
Ola mtu chede ndo that's billion.
marina billion abi last time ola mngana open it like chifi mini speedboat momu kana chispina mdzimu ndiko ndi
upyo
mumwe so achipezo chispina ngamachero ndichivuwa iyi
nandoni
Mozambique ola mndu kana akapina chikepe ndo namera no ndikona ndikochwa ngamachero okuta zvithu zviya akuta zviya huru mndu kana
hayi madhini
ene pamasiyari ndo ndichinomera ndatonga chimwe chinhu ine chino chimwe ndikofa madokwana anobva dzi 2am dzaano dzidojemba ndiuri
muzitongani ya bambera badi
namuna achipina muna ndachiwanga machiwa ndichibona dzividhiyo ri nayo never
mara nechomangadza unichori why ava vathu vachiya usingova na muthu unenge kuti he ka government mini mara vonokhera ningei government ivonyengoya mini
baba
kuti angachava vathu
ndinzena ndikwamba zvino uri all along vathu vala vathu vachikuita zvine vakuita ahuna muthu wava akhoamba chithu vala vathu vava right vakotakolofera kuita chirede rikuita mini zvino unochinyora mumwe na mumwe dzona reason yori nne ndoamba ndovabudza
No, actually, Nishange, you don't just go. You not see regulations and what. A lot of people accept or they take your responsibility. They can still be sued.
There's a 3-page contract.
So they take responsibility and they were allegedly after that whatever gate got lost. They took time before the report. We can't find this thing anymore. This thing we can't see it anymore. They were trying their best to find out.
Before I report.
So now about when they were supposed to check out this, they're in the radar. Like if
a guy within 45 minutes. That's why I'm watching. You don't know how to run and river pass it. What was straight, but the Timera.
My trip, you want to watch in Anto, not a Titanic.
What similar to what you remember? Joystick was a chat. Whenever the two judges want to keep passing shot to a
gone. Passing shot Mpho Rathando.
Tamba. Mvonyori. Mufindori.
Ni mvonyori nani boraso Mpho Rathando.
Ala mna chipindura na batecheresi.
Hela mbeke ya mshuma inyanga mtu oralao.
Rotenda achi ronga ndira ine. Achipindura mara anandira. Nangori nezoni mini. I think Rathando osike yavesana group rwawe vadowara ne Sapla Radio. Rune vachipindura ngandene vafuna.
Mara vatu vanji they respect women with munna. Ara co-host or something. So baba politing Amanda.
Tiwa kodi lomira nombro.
It's how the world has been made. Like that.
Yeah. We respect the ladies. Hey.
That was the last battle. Akobuzwa ene. Ngene mtu opedzisera utabana naye I think. Before
ngorimi.
And what drop the call? Holani ubhoru chipedza uta Holani. I think it was the last draw. Ngororu chipedza Holani in last of last week I think. Avaru kutua this week.
Abra Ferrero. Marela show inyanga mtu anei. Utova strong mamon.
Utova strong mara ene nasedzai ene na uyu Bingras. What are too personal and ukidaka the topic bano GS aside too much.
Mohashi uko GS.
Wachi uko GS masiya kidaka zvitu. Unazi tuzo chiri ngwana zoita besides SABC. Unazona chingwana zoita Venda ti kana around. Ndo wana ndri bopanga energy yothe. Nasozori hapo huko to pushiwa siya. Ngobona ndri bajia siya ngamanda vahangori. Sure, it's not about them, it's about listeners. But a lot of group which if always no kwamba fora. Ndo the one uri but the tickets and navo than other people. Ngobona. No, I'm just saying how much is bad just here. And it got sometimes it was no longer good for the show. There isn't why I stopped listening to Chico. It was because of there were times in those Fazori. Na one-sided yazwitu. Ngobona. It's like sometimes na na teri ngamachuru. Nyamu ngamanda mandu dakabora. Nyamu fori unachunga jina role wemwe timu hii. Zvito ambiko pfa zvipfuke. Wawine mwe timu hii.
Jambesio.
Ndiri zvidoambiwa hii, zvaomberiwa hii, zvapedziseriwa nangazvo. Nyakona zvifozori ngobona.
Mara chosara uri vanhu.
Mara umashige vachiko hasha ngasiva fezori vasi vachiga vafeva ipiyo.
Before chiva rotoma rafeva zinotiwa. Fana refiri, fana mini. I don't want to team those.
Mara they are working.
But yes, that's what I'm speed. You feel well,
Mara ndinongambori. Chimwe cha chitu choitisa uri vaswa va savena dzangariro ngamanda kila program. I think wajenesa vathu vaulwane chifhinga chote vasina mafungo vachinya program ndikamba vane vakufona
Vamwe sivorwane. Lari nobudze.
Mara avana mumbulo ine ikopaka show.
Naka page yaone. I even spoke about it and I'm still going to talk about it. Ungamwariwa zvinori una chiwo chete guy. Kana uko there tuso ya mini. Ti kala social media za para. Zvinoza kodete ya womwara uko there tuso ya mini. Uko do jena. Uko do tumwariwa. Ndichimugara mafuda sim card ubvaga hafa video lens ayenga kudzulo ndri page ya para hudziro hukwambiwa vathu vadzwa kudzi praise ndine original chimufu
mudhuro wa 1010 una mudhuro wa 1010
Okay, let's do this. Yanka para page para. Rani eka page para ribona roposto minti. Kaka Durban July. Zonoka Durban July. Oposto Africa Durban July. But wako dumara uri dinne nyinywa gaga. Huna so serious nezo kote communicate with watu wako ambati. You can't have a conversation ka social media za para. That's it.
Ndoseli ngoduba uko Unisa iko pemberera 100 years. Ada vaambi bojino Unisa. Rathando mbodiri ndikombela ujene vatecheresi vararu vene vojena Unisa. Vari Unisa yo vatusanga mini. Rathando ndikotori. Ari mara vojena Unisa. Ha ndikotori ndiri. Mara vojena.
Kuna watu vanera so ka radio vadzira vako pressa nduri basi kudzina ko sokolo fiva ko amba there is in ngobonori the radio ngobona maybe this year ndo jia a different no wana a new leaf kida kanet instead ori this is a tungo I rather speak about it maybe because ndo bona some of the changes zizo kuitwa internally ne ka radio ne na progress ine vakozama uri vapushe radio somewhere humwe ndiko wana uri radio aiko lekiswa zvithu nga nthani ha management na vatecheresi ezvinokomba zvoni mutu ukoto general
reblema Rathandona
no atikomba tikomba ndasidza Rathando nechola Rathando ndikomba radio as a whole ti munhu atosara zvivafunira nga dzimfu kanobudza kechi
Mara, okay.
What was that?
Ariabe zubiya za Rathando hazwi.
As a journalist or a radio presenter or a broadcaster, ne? He has the skill. Interviewing skills is good. Come on. Everything was perfect. Like, that thing, your growth to become like that broadcast. Ufarash midday show, you can a morning drive. Morning drive, it's about entertainment, mostly entertainment, na vibe, na minty. But the midday show, it's more powerful.
Current affairs.
Show. And then he did a great job. Beside the but the guy was good. He's still good. And radio nji Venda. Wala muna chinga do back time radio this kata zu. Sino tai zondi zori arena zi radio Venda. But wana na radio. Na radio. Mfano wamoro minimusi. Na radio nti Venda. Na zi radio.
Mara ene uyangamne Rathando la show before.
Line.
He did delivered and people were interested. Una authority, abachinga mvene abana authority. Achiamba namusipa na pala chitachiswicha watu na mini. Mara most of the things ringasiri ndiene nikongwana ngori he was also working based on the scripts na mini. Mara most of the time out of hundreds 90% of the time.
No, let's not 90. Let's put it to 95. 95%.
That's why I'm not tractor.
Angufuko ya mtu ni masipalani.
Wapenda maspara.
Ufuko maspara.
Wapenda maspara.
Ufuko maspara. Something.
What then?
Ni makado maspara.
Municipality.
Inangaruka makado FM.
Asichipiri. Abako wana masheleni hapo.
Mara nikiwa na makado.
Nifaka sheleni nani? Ono block nga makado. Abo block nga group ya WhatsApp. Block nga group ya WhatsApp nga makado.
Now, I'm back.
Machankura.
Mara, let's be honest. Let's leave it right there.
So, who go done? Rock class. Machero, the one rock class.
Yeah, one of the
rock class. Yeah. Nero Mondo. Yeah, udoa kwa jia nepala. I think they know udoba sharp.
The guy is good. Let's be honest. Ola munna.
Udoba sharp rock class.
I don't think Univen the recover. Univen you know the presenter ne. But when it comes to that guy, see?
Yeah, I'm blind.
That guy actually Sunday ni phone left hand. No afunzi bacho kotata sana ngabibi wote bafunzi bacho kasigisi studio pala. Also ko maravoni bari means of the wood. Wala ba ndira rai woni baba hone. Binga or ndende chi awajia wote bakaraka zifamba no wabela raso. Wala muna achiba bika na wana ya para jila show jodo raro isanga hinki. And then it's a great show. The guy is good in what he does. And on something chine is completely different. Ako repeaters no muntu kuziita odanga chana chao. So I think naye angai fara comes to
How they far?
Ndo for chuto ngaro ngadana kana ronda kana mini.
Mawasha ngasibuya.
Unless plan your this guy ene
Yewene.
yoba ene yori ukodo jena hapala.
This all. Yewene. Why just goes to the resign?
It was a map plan.
Map. Mara eno they far.
No. And what was this?
Very far.
Let level this.
Then no madoshi mashapu nantu.
Na bing. Wana matowo te ape nyama. No mato.
Madore sana.
Mara no bingra sa stormini. Pato dina wo bingra.
Abena bingra why far in the show.
All right, reggae for me. Can ne for me right hange ka reggae.
Bingra sa nene why far in.
Ne for me right hange ka reggae.
Bomba clot. ndo takaenda dzuva
There's a show ya reggae.
ya reggae
Hapo kwamba bomba club mathomo suka show chipela. Cha fa fili fa.
bomba clad azikuuya
Muzimu.
ramuhasha muhasho tangana nazo.
Yeah, but the changes I'm seeing
Yeah.
and the efforts they're putting, and the new generation that is working internally there, maybe that's one, and then you go feel already there's a change that is happening. Number one. But there's it's not gonna take this year or next year to really have Para to be back on top. Ne? Probably in the next 3 years.
DPO radio in number one event.
Rovisa Para.
No para yo. It's not on top.
No, ndikwamba on top ndikwamba the A game. Hilari chimboko. Nichiro uhumba chitori cha radio na sozori yes. Ito mistake muhulu.
No, you need to para fema isabu ya na competition ya strong. Is the number one. The mafunga uri the transmitters.
Yeah.
Sazima radio azishiki. Ni kama any event.
Aisuki guy.
Fama na makadon produce.
If
it was job.
Na bembe aisuki guy.
So there's not that competition.
Ngori dingara Glen FM.
Yeah. So other
Ne?
Glen FM ashiki ya.
Other ropa school. Then there will be competition. You will see red 12 ngavande chiko. Ngavande chikoro. Ngavande mini. Then you will choose which one. But now,
Talking about that, I saw Radio Thando it's now broadcasting. But
Online.
I kept asking,
which radio Thando?
I don't know what I'm on frequency. You don't know what Radio Thando.
The private one.
I wish not know how many would really check. Come on. This Radio Thando.
Nerdiva.
Jenga Facebook wabo check.
Click right here Radio Thando.
Yes.
Radio Venda na Radio Thando.
Hey. The conflict.
Maybe what duzanya ngori tongari kopho tongari kudunu ngabathu ane ba.
No, but we can't sell government things.
Hey. It's a government thing.
But the entity Radio Thando was not government.
They were made.
Yeah, they swallowed it.
Look at the
Their product.
Yeah, there is Radio Thando. I'm seeing it a lot online, even though background away China. Everything is edited into white. And it's white.
It's life, man.
Sometimes sometimes there's some
Black is
pictures that doesn't sit well with white. Maria,
Black
yeah,
is associated with darkness.
because they made you believe that.
Right. But black, the color black.
Look, you're wearing black and it looks so nice.
It's black and
And
white.
she gave engaged.
Maradona mantu angotsukani.
Any comment?
I'll tell you something. Gewenga ndikale chidiwa one Venda, but when it comes to the new generation, wana like your mini, social media, ikonove ya zwitu, rakonovona zwitu zwinhu zvazvikuitea shango. Zwinhu zvazvichiitea na unasasviki radioni kana zvadia radioni kana zvadhiambiwa radioni ngavo mushavana madhi nane vala vamwe murava kidhiamba ne vala, but the impact or how you will feel about it.
You see that
Yes,
much.
that much because you were not able to view, and then access ya vatu yeba isingodhara ngoto raro rune nindokono accessa certain people abizwa zvino mwana are primary wako noto yathando ngene mune azvina kuita shopping abuya ya ti ini nga chifunga ya musi nika 453 nani singasina mile taxi nari ngwa ndafini kwa thando kubona hachi to do fi nto wani no mamulu wane kanono pasa metric access ya suya singoto raro, but things were happening. Zvino na access ya chimwe na chimwe nikono swikelela information yote ya worldwide no dzura on your desktop. That's why you feel the impact. Come on. Even those of zvino ono dzino dara ngoti na shango liko dara. The more people wako dara na bugevenga buko dara. Ngabona.
Mara kare zokini baba zoziyone.
Zvachidiva ono mwana songo dara. Zvazi less. Ngori obviously na goro inanga sedzai. Right over na midiri na dziguru. so na ndo mkidnap na ndompanga sagani na gidima naye
Mas zwazisiyo.
Zwazisongo dara ngori vatu va few ngori zvazvinona sedzai muntu kana wakonova nina 20 years nina guru ya chimangadzi back then rachitovalela kuti ngoshuma musoni kana ngoshuma gaigara liwe kana kuda mini na kunovona ningovuya nga crisida kana nga basgre ya bomba. It was something. Zvazvino anyone can access anything because vuna information. That's why nchivona kuti nichivhura newspaper yakala afigura kuda 5000 ari mara hasina hela information yaisiyo nakale una vatu vanjina chingona kuti vasinga afforda uva na guru nakale ti vaafforda wana ndukurwani but they didn't have that information ngori
zoiwanera guy
vachifunga ri yo abera ndikotoita zvinhu ndikotova vachivusela va muneighbor kana la mtu opatawo bendospenda apa ala mtu azokubelieve zvezvo because reason niona vatu vakala vachibelieve na everything ndina chiona social media today easy than ini or in social media something came and found you and then you can live with it. Apa vanhu vatu mutu murwane vakureya nga chimwe na chimwe chine vachivona so that's why nichikukona munori zvino impact ya kugevenga kana impact yazvino zokuita shangoni you feel it more because the access is in your face.
Zone boraso. Alisa okanya ke.
I no.
Alisa okanya.
Yeah, lack of information.
Mara
so diambari usadiba kufana nawo.
Mara mabebe ayadzikru na mini. Zvadziona kare na kare dzikru.
No. For me who's from Gale. The crew has been there.
That go mutaru chance.
We had something like this.
But daddy crossed the road.
Yeah.
Yes.
Zvaziona.
Nikare ro ndori mudori nina ndichiri namdani mutuku. Nanzi ne mutuku rari ndichiya vo resort. I knew one thing uri atingosokoti yaumwe na humwe. Ndani mutuku. Mana ngosogidima ngori. Nachingona khamuzi ndikosvika na time yava ikutwe kwena kone ndikosara na majita. Majita ndori hey nsongwana kange. Ngori ni wana uri mathanga njelele atodi vangovera. Kobona. Ende vangovera avanda na vapipidi. Natangana nenge resort yosuka.
Mara ndi cruise ne dzova tova advance nga indira.
It not advance.
Ngade uzi fiminezo lazo.
Ngachifingwa chadzo.
Ngachifimina abe ngachifingwa zo. Ngachifimina. Okay,
10 years from now. It's a crew. Muodovo dzura sayini so. Ara the crew lani that's your advance. So ngachifingwa chadzo that's the advance.
They are always upgrading.
Ngobona. Chineta chete andichori.
Ara is like crew. That's songo. Yes good. Yes no. So that's small boys. Huh? That was the komanga.
Una the era.
Yeah. That's vinga.
Real cans komanga so serious. Komanga kamasuwa na man. Guys speaking kare which it was very difficult. Now it is accessible. That time. Amen.
Which means none is just the fear.
Ukondengwe era.
Bazura fasa la bana bare ro dina.
I'll give you an example. Era so I'm gonna put like this Gale. Gale. Una era yanu ya musi. Vachipfanga ini. Nduri nichijena club ni vaziforma Gale osvika. Wena firone na nichi. Zvazvino nichitomona club ni. Nipa hukuria rumwe mara ndistrata zviraru bona zvirawo ni mara hela distance nichihumbura ichimbira.
Yani chiya.
Zvazvino you feel it. I can't. Mara ngachipinga chanu. Nkobona.
Hi, passing shot. Wamba hawo raso.
So for me it's not something new. At you're surprised. Before you do passing shot, but wachitamba pool house vadonibuza. But we vachia lapo lomo vadonibuza. Ngobona. Otepetu chifu restaurant mini uyana lo vadonibuza. Chifu yamsi itani usabili mune dane.
Dafa ngori ala vatu vadzi Then vazohomboka
vatu. Oba hunga zvifinga zwa.
Gripa.
Okay. Obiya bana fashion yo jena midini usiku vatu vedera ti. Uyomura tachifinga. So unazi era like you saying. Zviyangopambanana. Zvazvino nanga sedze. Nabudzisa vadonibudza zori uwana khamisi kana anepangwe chimuna vodoroboni niachiwana nga 350. Ndo was surprised.
passing shot ngori hello ndo dana kuswa fi guy
Ndori, vathu vadori.
azone udodzifarisa
Okay. Mara, everything Raso these days is very accessible. I mean, I was looking at. I'm gonna tell you about. I was Dutch Plaza shopping up. Ndiko urindiwane urotonyana. Because you know, no one ngalishin wati after 6 months. So prepare your that's for zori coffee. Uri isole ele Jacobs uri isole jokoi. Ito todana rot. Ngongwa. Mundu kanako ndiko sika mundu kanako nwa lini. Ndina prescription. Fully dressed cheese boy ngoto yibona clean fresh. Koswaipa nduri orodzura da na kemche panda chipaza na majita. Ela imwedzi ko kana kana murato noko mukaidza. Rabe zvitu mini. Akumuzoro no zvefana vachibuya vadzobuya ndo edera. Rusizo kuti avo 9 apa. Vachibuya yani nyama vadzobuya no redera mamozitola sesinglele. So aronga vo 9 niko sedzori how accessible things are. Just mukana ade arenge aite line yawe adzure anywhere adinore. Parikana vachiri vakoti vakuita zilini kana vakongodasu zvavo nga winter. Chifurantura nchidhala matomboni engeni madhakani. Chasika rumwe mumwe mukana arenga los drone renga na tona na dhala kule rumwe. Ya los drone oneko dhala nga vatu va 7. Zvemunari kuti ichivya kaini ngoda chiponchi. Those were but right now anyone has an access to anything. It's the life of today. That's why there's different things. It's been there. It's just that now things are more accessible.
hai ken holifa arale songomba wakara ba ukare nervonyi
Ngamba mini ndi mukalame.
Rolifa ndikubona ntu onoba exvibadi zvino ribu kafeska uyana live zvino arontoba obuya.
You know, I said something I think back then. Na sathi mwa mswatu wanjeri vachikombora tomu vachigidima machannel ngekezi ndari not ndi. It's very different.
Ndini ngasite chitu.
Which means we rivanji. And nichiko ningo yengwara ka Facebook ninge ngwana no dzwa no thayana. Aun badwantikedza phela vangwara. Odiana njera odiana gana guy.
Odanga yabo.
Yeah, machipinga chaya shooters. Or poster chikweta something time with business kungu advertiser ninge. A poster ni pala. Zvinozvaita ndizori we ka social media odara we and vatu vapengisana nga we or we inipa more power. Mara when it time to come and do it. Because unazvinhu zvinoenda ngadzibudzisa futi.
Vino wazvamba.
Ndakobona wachikwambori bundu kabuye. Wakoposta wakotrenda I think 2 days back or namro wakotrenda bundu. Wakoposta.
Akanti yamareko shuma na yona. Ngandara fake account.
Wakoposta rumwe kabuye. And I'm like zviavhana zori ndinyi chimwe chipinga. Nacho rinokwatisani vatu. Mara na vatu vanadzotuma vakonisema ka page le vakosema liva kumusema. Vamwe vanani nichicheka zvinoi. Wakatuma va soft. Vamwe ndovona vamwe mudzeno posta mutu wanga kadanjiye. Vala vatu vava busy nori mini. People social media can quickly forget. But they can quickly ignore and forgive. Mara forgive you're in the lion veka orange. You've got a green and red. They can quickly put you there. And then you can have all the fun. Ndawa ndiori neta mwe mistake wadu wabuya wadabar so dawa wadzima. Wori mafungo ndiori vatu vajumpa on what is trending in the meantime. The moment ilazoya zonyamalala zvadzika. Check now achimira court. Let's see like crowd la njinji the way on futina.
Iko funguzie.
But here is a strategy to lead our police na prosecution. Una mfunzo dumobati hapa. Una case. Yeah, the contradiction is
hold.
lockdown, right? So they a lot of it as well. But the first day, bunch, postpone. Until you get tired. As those now you won't disturb, I don't want too much public.
vakuitira mini
But nyam, or other silver tapalaba case continue. But what one as the so they can bend things, they can
okay
so you postpone, you get tired. Every time when you go there.
adakota yethe
Yeah, then boom,
iko continue ogwegwa zinamfuthu
zipostponiwa too much mara
sayasenzo
managewa
veiwe
crowd
crowd
because otherwise staff are they can bend things now to stop the car bending things, so you must manage them as well.
rapira chedonomera nchange ninji
Mara hey all muswana liwani atrika dito wazorika so zambori bail yawe bail conditions awe zambori zamtandelo continue
na business
mara hangot
this sleeping by the way.
yeah mara hangot ya disrespect about that like lazo chisa zone
I don't think he is. I don't think
we
he
don't know
is.
the conditions of the bail.
No, Mara, I don't think he is disrespecting people.
ndikwamba the way bamba ndikwamba the way ara ni ndopfa zone vula munhu vachikwamba vari wala ndo kwamba zvo vachikwamba kombofi asingodzikusa chichava mini kobona
Yeah, on social media. Disregard whatever I say. They know there was bail condition.
Zawe.
The Chimbrisa, if I contravene this bill, they can take me back. So Marangori roll affair, life yawe. Uchiranga
social media.
So surely you must not do that because that's how I make
living. Obviously, that's all on.
And the numbers, if you look at the numbers have grown.
Hey, still going.
It is what it is.
Ngori that's something.
It is what it is.
That's the numbers what vachikwamba. No, unlike it's not about unlike a page yawe.
Oh yeah.
No, this one follow on unlike a still. You still view. Ngori mungo share, mungo commenta suggestions zamagza bagges zone dziko dada dipechera panda apala. He's back. He's doing what he's supposed to do. Continue mshumo yawe.
Yeah.
We'll have different opinion, we'll have different stories. Kobona. Zidinga zezo zwine zvakuita wakati yamboso na driver na ntu. It's funny how if Mboso posts something, this group in Nawanori will have to do anything to discredit. Ntumba post something, they all go and say, yay! Just because one thing I've studied and maybe I've seen there is already Nanga says there, unawatunuzawa kwambori, mutu afuna kuchile kwa mekuna ya kubona ka Facebook. Anganiwe ngangamiru na muye, uri ene akuchile zozutu. Ndezo nyazi, na nasa za zungoza watebeli, wa bontumbu na bombosho. Unala ntiori, hoti ya hunenda kubakika space. Because I've been now, there's a lot of cockroaches coming out of the rocks, they are going after Mboso. And you ask yourself, Masinama pungo asintumbu na Mboso na driver, nantu na Gemini pusha status zwaboneta zwabona kweta zone uchi uzoko jenera na mumwe na usoko village tumbani cha mbuzi me
mara nati blame him na comment. There's no privacy, there's no expectation of privacy in public. Now what I chituru cha point, whoever comes can say whatever they want. It's allowed. Uruko bad guy kana bad guy. Azvina mushumo.
Abezo zvinona watu vano.
Ara zingo comment zingo poster.
No, unatu vano creator the video ti. Ara bawona ngomajitana tambale ale aposiyo. Hey,
the freedom of speech.
Hela niwe no beyond. Ereso. Unengo out here dia ngomata. Nawana ko todori.
No poster mini.
Yo go hela wala ni not real. Havala babiri wo poster kana barabura wo poster. Hola mutu go creator yawe nga hange. Kaya kutuba page yawo
Facebook yazitende
hemun hala banna maramongo matamba ane ara ifunu zo taxi ni lokho vatwa ndo kwa PPDT a driver ngani tsari no
zifana mse muntu ongwala status nazana commenta vitu zvine azvifuni
ani ne wani
kani block kana ni delete
one ne wani hey ara so when Gale Una watu ndo dzula kufara.
Ndiyapovhoka zvino.
Kufara ntuti.
Ndiyadhina vantu.
Atopoza state atori. Tinyana ndiyakona ndo dzula fala ndiko kasiti. Aitoposta manje chimodiri.
Vantu vadhineya.
Within 6 seconds.
Vantu vadhineya.
Niona mtu unongona mwe paragraph ndo opa atesta.
Vantu vadhineya.
Hey. Avana vana vazovo soko promote. No vazovo ko prepare ni avaravara. Vati vazovo ni avaravara ti vavela tambele lo sema mbebi. Ngona lo sema mbebi. Ndiro vazovo ngori ni avaravara. I'm like, yeah.
Vantu
3 seconds, 6 seconds.
Okay, amanini. Ndongwana ndari anari fortunator. Osainonga makadzi. Mara atongotoma dzura pasi namakadzi amba uri makadzi oguda mini kadhili dzose dzava nadzo. I see problem going forward. Hey! Hey! Nikushiwa mtukana. Vantu avapi.
Ndozo ndifuna la ndi amwara ndichitopedza ngora mtu adha comment imwe paragraph ndapfu. Yadza ndichikodzera ndichikongovara nafa chikuru gone. Adha kaka inbox. Handa ndisongovara zvavudi sorry. Ai. Sorry amini tinongora no commenter.
Nota mindilita.
Ndinongora status. Mutu adha a comment. Utongara chiko comment hai. Avidza vangori ola mtu ngora fora. Hala vachivara vapfesesa status. Pamuzurai. Hapo kofiso. Avyanga ngoruvira that delete. Adha ka inbox amela farero. Ndiya mini. Echima kama na post na comment ndo ngeyibona. Like okay.
Evan, auna privacy ka public vana. Privacy ayiho. Nema nada na vhura pa badani na chimbira badani.
Nadi ini.
Kana mwe mtu avhura pa badani na chimbira. Ari vatu vasingosedza ati chipengo.
Kana mpuni.
Nikongona? Ndichipengo.
Ndikomuna ndiko chimbira nepa madakana chimbira ho. Kana mumthanga. Lamthanga ndimdiyo sore hayi no umthanga yi. Ndimuthu no forana manda na zayet vachibera zayet. Para zayet ndimillionaire, satokola chedo develop kadoko. Chikorokoro chimwe ndi ndati vana devosendari vanhu kwete yamlefa ndi millionaires. Zine dzivasi dzothe and vana vakatsiva kai.
Vakai.
Ndawana ndisativi. Mara ndozvopostiwa.
Vakongwana?
Vakuambadzana mu.
Uda hola wa posta zvino. Achire arani munna nisaiti 80k kana. Wamsidzana umona.
Oh, you know ni. And I didn't understand what was going on because some people after 3 days kana 4 days.
Ina post zobde budi.
Ati ngozibona achibofika bookiwe for uba MC.
Hey, but ochingiro wamzana. Afi.
Komana bari mindini after deduction.
Uchingerisa manibona.
Yeah,
uchingerisa.
Yeah.
Vakongwana. Abo mcheke boraso borumbona.
No, dosibona.
Zino batoko mchingera, ndari nene ngwarera mini man. Ziyabhora ngongwana.
Rinazi
investigator.
Ask what they will go and look for you, they'll find you.
Mara they can't find their own.
Ndobona zino chingo buki wako tracker so kai mwezi given.
Oh, buki wako doita MC.
Ndobona ko tracker.
Then it goes for her.
So shuma.
And what vadodha vako ngobona rini wa 80k linyi.
What works for her? Congress man.
Mara ochingeriwa man. Ochingeriwa. Ndawana neto ngachazvikona. Ava tibasa.
Unaitanga chi business chipachiri nyinyi cha miswaswo.
Prince.
I don't know, I think Prince ndo nechikumocha wa miswaswo. Hey, anaona mjenera. Mara bamwe nezori what you if you look at social media. Now what they're in pain, depressed, and stress and what. And then when something opportunity comes up, choriba attack mutu. They will slaughter you.
Nasa ndikwamba uri. Arani mutu nongwa status cha so. Nadhana semiwa.
Sanne.
Dilitani. If you can't stand for it.
Don't delete it. You must engage. You must engage.
Can I engage?
Or keep it quiet. Pane write zinomboro zigonye.
Can I engage?
No, nobody that's going to engage. You must engage back the
You must engage babuye
Hey,
babanje.
hala vatu raso sometimes hala vatu vategana ti unovanga vatu unosema vanganisema message ya 700 va 7 vakuchinchana
Nafasi kwa baba. Zoni baba.
ini nichibvuma chironi this is what it is.
concerning as rates, right?
Eh.
The number. You must keep it quiet. You must say,
Ndopindura fora na ini. Ndopindura fora babuya. Napindura fora babu.
5,000.
Hey, una vatu vane ana vatu vane votoda emuna ka social media there's people vane votoera but yeah una mumwe wori achifedza topinduliwa ari shit ndofindula nga no general muthu nga account yanga ya right ambo the delete highland achifedza delete la post ka comment yamu abuyada angona tumwe apinula abakopinula mudzana futi nga imwe account mara oza muchenja mini zviangwara. Then I was like comparing. I'm like, nah, this is one person. Utawari obaiza at Twitter ngaya personal. Ntana at Twitter ngai. Una watu ndo dzura varina kana nsika 4 5. So no ibari nyo drenko. Tu dzura ko complain ngaba. Ngone mumngola wo ya da aduma badi ngatrekela no fi amazenkeni. Arati ngoti napenda muno chedera gigi notola ndichena ndino ngogungura ngazola ngogungura ngavolenga ngogungura ngamini ndisizoitiwa kare kare ina mzinga dilira ene nicho shumisa account ya fake ngori yazore ndi ine nako ngwa obvisa this song uti watu ona mbadala naye pari kuvura watobva zvakudi wolecha
hey aruyeka ntuma aruyeka positive thing Durban July. No one I Durban July. Who would you going?
Yeah, one images on a back and you wish they can be deleted.
You're so positive.
Show me okay, 90% of them are black. Most of them are black. Wangofi kaso mindufi watonga watu wakadini. Most of them black bro. Then una also means okay, I was waiting for grand entrance. See? Okay, it's grand entrance, but it's what we expect of him every year. Mara la zori obadero dangandu ya ngrasi. Aitonga chi alien ti. Nande korindu dobona na warinyi. Eswas nega. No one does not agree my partner. She got the predator.
No, but this division, this cool.
Hey, I think
what went south.
We go wanna.
Hey, no mum sana koi. Don't want to work catching Cheroko. But then it's that okay when go on. Why change? Maybe it's chance to imachanta. Tabeka nembera, tabecha matungo jeta mini. Door designing Vulaguma, Vulavia. So, was it as the akochinja khala kwengedza zvithu ti so vazana vari akachenja hey hela ntiko mufanera and ukuenjoya ukumilka everything about it the factory it looks good before I showed toda imwe akachenja design ndezo mumzana pedza kuzofi komlori ni posters wanu 9 nambara zva design nichova self entitled to zvithu zva vamwe vathu ukabona. But Durban July.
Shout out to by Hashima Panapara, no Babona Nabon.
Yeah.
But they were dressed ordinary. Nothing there.
Bambara ordinary,
They were going like they're gonna have lunch at Spain.
Hey, Raso.
What I saw about them.
Bambara graduation.
If graduation was good, they were going to graduation. I was disappointed on that one.
Mara, let's be honest. Durban July, Echena
Mpho.
Uvaja to Sam Nyamarara. Morocco even before Sam.
No, that was of COVID. COVID.
Now, beside COVID, ne, I think, like I keep on saying, the more things have become more accessible, see, you don't feel the need or the want of being in a certain place. Back in the days, it's like 15-20 Ks. So we applying it was like Kurga machondo no kuzwiselana hey dzobuya mini. Right now every corner there is similar vibe. Kawani chijiga ngafa into sanga fula chigontori ni chamengeli ni chilasi ni chijiga ngafa rodona la kutanzwa golwe una chilasi.
Anaba special.
There's nothing really special.
Achaba special.
Ngari nichijina pabuni ndawana wakori beyond 35 randa and 40 45 randa. Mikwa next door restaurant inorengisa maguru na wana beer the same dumpy or the same ngudu nga 25 randa kana nga 20 kana nga 10 na wanori things are too accessible man nanji wanori ngaba zwa zwakali uri mukara babuya hayani bachichaisa yi nanji expect wa those kind ngaba 9 10 ngori wachivi watu mupiranga bottle store and the bottle store wakati walk at least 45 minutes usika yani and so chimwana chori bachi wako offer uri ara bochaisa ngabo ma 780 una swiswi wakati obena la bana bangwe bothe bone ba bako bia one side so now things are so accessible ne mukala rumo wa bya ni bottle stay igetheni chipoto chinga na bunyamuka madi mafeni everything is right there achena that thing I'll give you an example unazimwe zvinepeswa zviko trend ka social media ti zwa haya matrango haya vafonyela munhu vangenjerere wa bush pie but you remember bush pie so ndikongobya kayo ka Durban July man ndikobya ka Durban July ndikobya kayo nasedza songo bush pie ti uba na cassette zwa songoreruwa zwa zvino everything is right here celebrity ne kwa Durban July nias dozoro wambara mini like almost every day because every day achiambara ko difoda so Durban July
there was this guy when I saw that dress code he was dressed or he or she I don't know
these days you can't tell
I know it's he or she but what's that boy the way she was dressed I asked myself I said guys in South Africa we can do this aliens movies was like an alien.
Oh kwamba la sizwe
la sizwe ndokona so mizi marene chingombara so mizi yamakiwa
yes we can do these movies look at this
Black Panther we can do the Black Panther
then just campus is just like a ice cream and I'm like
he's like what
ice cream man
makazi wambara mini
like,
she was on black man she looked beautiful
makazi
papa tili uko tramesa madamu amakadzi
and then I was like come on we can make
and he doesn't hide it
hey mazana ko pisa zvino ndi heli fungo ndi heli la solution hey ale ko pisa solution fungo la solution
mara nauna nne
ndi posta mini fungo la
solution ya dozoro nne difunero unwa tie ini yavori ina mafi ti ende tie rina mafi zviyambo zvori nakholomo ini ko hamai ifuno ikobvisa ruvomba zvino
bomba na solution
namusi yanga pfi kholomo yonona mara na wanoriyo ini kyo hama madamu aone ni kongotoda mafi rinwe tie
asa vechito
na wanori ngodo toda
ukoremi so
solution
nganda ikobonara
solution
nga ikobonara isinga ya mara nichiboya lutuni
ne difunera deri mavanash
ali hopala timara na bana nanga hapa watu wa gomera muraunyana hanga
mara ngori pala auto shuma mostly
artificially so artificial
liquidization
ariwane
no not for me
enlargement if you city enlargement
no for me no I like no she's posting nice dope pictures trending and pushing her business
kabze mshonga wa ulisan
yeah I would say na
ngoro mchiba
hai amuna
anako mchiba
chimwe chipungani sangasiri nichiko nyabona mfi chimwe chipungani kongo muna stock sweets ti nari nchiri no ari kufa chimudhirini ndona chitanda then watsina grokulwa
wangu zatsanda fedzi
no latanda pedzi ari kuti ndozvipfa ri
ati mara zvibva kori nifuna mini nandibora so
yeah
una vamwe venei ukutoda ufara waona kapu waona kapu
ndiyabona if there is
waona trophy
Yeah.
no winner nje yeah
UEFA
Champions League
Yeah.
vamwe vatsinga hezvo
kori namziri erari kori ndi UEFA Champions League rari njiri UEFA Champions League nari njosvika ngeno nthana wanori amikungole
ndingasive na zvothe ka UEFA ingochapota ini nifuna UEFA fedzi zvimwe nyina ndava nazvo mara odlanga mupa ti angadzitira the man made
now that's what when I think maybe it's what she was wearing because when I look at them like wow dope nice beautiful the same thing we used to do about varivonyi valani vo Monica back in the days vachigindikwana vopanga poster dzavo vokati yadzibugu navo Jennifer Lopez nga zvifhinga zvavo radiri wow zvirumbudza kale rikodhivana dzimagazine
mazori marafa edu hukutofintwa uye kana urofina msi notuwai ndikadhiva one
I think it's all about
and stunt
you know there's something not a stunt man you know the feeling of emptiness see sometimes when people are commenting and congratulating you feel like the void is closed for the time
nikoba sharp
you feel okay for the
Mani
time
not
being
hey.
Mr. Psychologist.
Rovula bugudedzi
no you can look at people abe munhu nasedza vatu vanji una vatu vane varaito pedzotaliwa ti vambodiva dzi motivational speaker
kana naka
achitamba ndelo zvinona chotamba naona mtu anondorenga orenga chikedzi arenga shukuto avana tombo avana glove vulani
ambara niko waya
talking about glove ndovona opostiwa vari nyoi munalo yaita mamafungo ajeneriwa kubuzo uri vone vakotofongarira maglove vaposta aspecial badinas asvikina clip oposta maglove uri vatu vonotongara kuri kana vatu vonotamba mabhafuni avudhi nivavona anangoshumisa na maglove
Vamos vir kani moraso.
The maglove anachipisa gay. People zoto gay. Achipisa. Atana maglove.
Ani alo tambiwa. Vana
Nitambo ni jawani.
Unotobhala ni maglove aya noni ngoto kutamba pana maglove aya noni.
Nikitamboni. So mara ndovona ndoposta pala zonzeni yakwambore. Kana ndizakuma akombore ya nemsadzi wanga ndamufuna vathu vatu vothe vene ndotangana navewo zvino after chifinde nemsadzi wanga rorichana the rebound ne mara asi vanji vane vanna vene vakasiedza zvito komba ndwela namini nadzigoloi
have a life in
asi vanji varaso vanna vene vangatuya dzindodzilana nadzigoloi
ndene kudori voraso votuchera amstel ti vachifuna nga mbiru na muya mara vakombetedza yetuchera ngori esoko vafara zvavudi
yakuvarwadza hangover ya hot
vachibva nga machironi vachipedza 3 days vakorecovera ende niwona uri vakorecovera nga lavuraru latanu losvika
vayainwa futi
nikaona uri latanu losvika
mara vayaita vachiumena simazori nantu udaita chiri
ari kuona
mara mazova zvituwa chote ndinorivaredza zvingarihebe
tinyarebu nana jabrek
narilapsa
narini ndingorivontsema
mara amutozvipfavo zonzeni uri
hai
ndikoposterwa zvitu
lastic zambariwa zone Ini kan the trees. Ini ano riding. Ini kan the riding. Ini not open ro kata. Sisi watu hizo zila.
Sisi boy kana.
Ndozidwera guy nericha pama jamhuri seli.
Oh man, naziko uya.
No one more akojisara inspired by Alicia.
No one pakwanjiri bako poster ro.
Ma before papa pati poster. No more poster ambara zunera nazo zila mara zwa webo.
Aziko zwa ke landiyo.
Ati onyango chidadza ati. Ochambara chatova normal achingo stretch. Adona pambano ko jena na linganera. Na jena na dadza. Na jena na dadza na tewura. Papatili zia post ziko post ndira ngaziko rikamziko varere dzedzila hai.
Solution ikarisembedza inbox ya wari vona zvori
Papatili vatokoda kayo
vakojererera hamba ringumura zonzeni arichedza zvito
so zeni na filori
oneta
no I feel like they were perfect couple but ndivatu mara when it comes to business wise those guys were good on pushing what they were pushing you know they knew like they were pushing it in a way in that business you can tell it had a better direction.
Amara namsi arari bari chana ndikwambore mwana muzvino uvodzimisa mwana voita brand dzine vanodzimisa.
Zonzo, when it comes to marketing, that guy is good, man. There's a lot of gigs that are actually go bam Venda. When he was still like namuna zvinepe zone ngari zonzorani sakulapa hava kwasakoni barira
tuwana
mara he was like he would take every that guy will take every single gig in an diva Venda ya shaina mamuna ya dara. When it comes to activation of no promote the gig, it shows you Alicia. If you look at the business, it boom. That guy is one of the marketing genius. He's good at comes to marketing.
Ako bika kishini tujivachinga mtaka.
Which was garachi.
Ako bika kishini.
Hey, sorry, one bika niachivona ngojena ngagete. Nichivura garachi nchiri kupedza remote nyari ngochivona nachobvera garachi.
Akishini yako. Hey,
that was a crazy couple, man.
Maravone arari vakuita for stunts ne. I think they got people by the balls. People are following. Zico says but passing shot reach a Venda Football Academy. No one much chincha na mini.
I don't know if I had to speak
plus na mungomeni otua. I think matoko do jena
no mona kopaka zibege usimezifuku tu.
Tonga do jena matoko.
I don't know. Logo for me maybe no one should pick in chapter quality.
And show me shishiro.
Abe
osuka download ngoma. Yabe webkati yantu.
Ngoma lungundu.
Namandanga kolomo.
But let's go on vegetables. You know football what we present.
Ngoma lungundu.
Mara thinki
ngoma lungundu.
Logo ngopambana na
football academy.
Ngopambana na
district football club.
At least with the name, at least now.
Yeah, they are because
Venda football club.
You must have a football club and an academy.
Hey.
You can't say
ngasiri academy uyantanta.
Abela ela logo arani chinepe choni chilanda chiwana chilani cha quality lani. Achingopambana na district ene kufika kubvisela raskanli. Chikana kaunti ya ramareba nefo. Chitonga richo dito nga PowerPoint ile yakale ya before 2016.
Afuji ndabonanga official raskanli.
Yoko this was raskanli.
Oh.
Log nduri artwork yone tonga rim yoshimisora PowerPoint.
Itu anga phone.
Ina phone yanga phone dzita queen phone design yes snake. Wako just snake goes
itu anga phone. There's
a person who was paid to do that thing. He was paid good money. There's a company that was hired to do that.
I'm gonna say something ne. I don't think I've really said it. I once get this thing of it shumane thing to do this other website. Now I charged them like 4.5. This was website. This was years back, man. I mean, like 2009, 2010. That is our free state anyway. Oh, no do I itango rombo di da mwe aitanga with million.
Ione marazi.
Oh, wana rwambo runga manda. Ya dafunga bora msi. Wana rwambo runga manda razwiti website wetu angechet. But beside hezo. Wala muna adiuzo eta mingori vachi bana no load wana league logo. It was a hell of. And they were actually, can you help with this? I'm like, guys, why am I turning to service provider? I'm not a designer for that. Or enough generate.
I should be animated at 10,000. 3 times more.
That thing was a mess that you didn't even want to, I didn't even touch it at that time.
Venda
yeah, big up to them. Even though this is your show or a logo and doesn't run to is not quality right. So I'm gonna look for it.
But I'm udo Gale
talent scout.
Yeah.
No, Mpho is still very young, man. He's going to play for another 3 years.
even 5.
Allegedly, I think he will.
33 years is very young, man. He must.
Allegedly.
But his career will. Come on.
Oh, he must find a way. Maybe he'll go to his former boss. Maybe he must go to his former boss in Mpumalanga. Then it will be fine. No, in Mpumalanga. His former boss in Mpumalanga. Tim Sukasi.
Oh.
Yeah, he was his manager. Manager.
Ngeza no tu ane ngeza no ya seri. Ngeza no ya seri yange.
Yeah, good riddance,
Nanjabulo wani ngese ruko dina badi nyanange. Oza kuta mana bomesi utonga. Ken la league yo.
Hey, nyazona ndiko bona.
Unaya ngange.
You know what you talk?
Oh, ungange.
Now you come so ndako bona how JJ Okocha used to create goals, ne? Man, in Africa, I don't really think we have something like that right now, Raso.
Oh, well, not God.
Not only in Africa, we don't have that.
Hey, do you know JJ Okocha? Or you just saying?
Oh, well, not God.
That was the football. That time.
I want you to go and check JJ Okocha.
Now it's money. No.
JJ Michael Essien.
Hence, this guy he posted Mr. Ferdinand from Manchester, former Manchester.
Rio Ferdinand.
He said, "Ew, in my time, when I look at these defenders here, in my time I was going to worth almost 200 million.
If it was now.
Because
these boys, they when you check with Maguire, imagine Harry Maguire, 80 million. Look at the time of Ferdinand. Maguire would have cost 5 million. But his hand is still 80 million.
80 million.
And it was like, you check the strike.
The reason I'm saying that, ne? You look, Ronaldinho, the way Ronaldinho dribbling, that other guy, I think Ronaldinho, some of the moves he went and watched JJ Okocha. Ne? But those guys were Brazil, back on Stadan too. Different countries for what I'm even aware they play better. Uriwa create the best players. But let me be honest with you. I'm no longer into soccer. Ne? I hardly watch. Yeah, I was. I played it. I played soccer. I played. And I used to love it. But right now, maybe it's becoming that thing I don't enjoy because I want to see certain way of play, which it's no longer there for me. Come on. It was something, Baba. You know, hey, Muntamba Chifera Boran, Opamuapa, or Kreka of Vamara of Opombiway. Was you know out of Inyana at Tukwa Woods?
Zinga Gore does not the the plastic. Hey, talking about football, and the one na Zaha na Stormzy, bagorenga team. You won't know them. Zaha na Stormzy bagorenga team. And in England and UK and
Wilfred.
Yeah.
Don't say so. I'm trying to remember. Wa Venda, if not Bck. Now he's busy no renga team. I don't know why I'm forgetting. There is something that is happening.
Ole pandi yobuya di?
Play about Ball Stars of All Stars, different All Stars.
Ikamini
First division. Remember the relegated?
Hey.
Then the Ball Stars back on the.
Wobuya zina
Then
kanti.
Chief Boy is back.
Yeah, Chipona is the champion. They're
Hey,
out.
hey.
The father's
The
out.
father's out.
Yeah.
Dumbono ngwarari.
Yeah, he's the chairman.
We are going to
Change things.
be hands on.
But there's something that was happening. It's either that person is buying shares cut team or something. I don't know why I'm forgetting this. Why do I get the access to that information and I'm losing it now?
Nekhet. Niko ihumbura ngoraro. Ukutangana mini ka Twitter. Zibecho ziko rengiwa na mini zote.
Hayi muna ndikona muzori munhu walarokovera ndikomangala teacher.
Nitsa rengi becho.
Yita.
Yonakisa.
Kufata yanga nne 9.
Ya ZCC.
Rikufata ya social media ti.
Becho ZCC ya
Since Twitter iko limita rikufata ya social media watu denga ngi.
Ukuru chereda pala zona.
Rikolocha ya social media. Nezo do ndio badera uri ndikono ubona post za 300 over 300.
Ndono verify world guy.
Adizungoro verify guy. Ndiri ndione post za 300 ndikono jena kazi ndibona zi comment. Ndikoti ndo badera.
No bad.
Are uri kuvura ya social media ifi.
Nothing for Mahala.
Nothing. Elon Musk.
Yes,
He has-
a businessman.
Ah,
The businessman no.
Raso, he has enough data that he was looking for.
He is here. That guy is a number what in the world?
Number
Richest-
2-1, number 1-2.
That's why he's like that.
Yeah.
That's
That's
what.
how he works.
Okay, no, Jamaica podcast.
Muntu mwana cherede
Yeah.
una buchiba na cherede.
Yes.
Mtu
Now,
ufume sawa.
I can't give you a platform. For
Yes.
free. Yeah, boss.
Una buchiba cherede.
Now that I mean, Chovo access everybody going to post at the 1 hour. That thing constrains them.
1
Because
hour I mean.
you can post a 1 hour video on Twitter.
Oh, but no bad.
I think they're not bad.
They want to verify you are.
When you do that, it constrains. It's too much data now because big companies are putting all that data right there. So now, one, you got Maryland. But besides that, there's a lot that goes on. Kaizozutu, you know, ne akati chovala 300 posts from Barato.
I'm over there, man.
I'm paying dollars.
Apo paseva sa roko visa yashu. Ifi.co.za.
Ihone ifi. Ikufatiwa ifi. Ihone.
Ifi.
Yeah.
Your voice, Baba.
Oh, the voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your voice, Baba.
Your voice.
Speak up. Say what you want. Be free.
It's like this.
Ex repo.
It's like this lady, they go like, yeah, for the females.
Feminist.
I don't want to let you all muzana or did status.
Amanda.
Or did na post your own.
Ivyo.
Akwambora ena mndabudza khotsianga uri bamudededzi so vangasi avana sei ka career yanga vadiva mini vanhu riva vaditonga vadiva mini nga law vadiva mini nga doctor vadiva mini vasoti wa mudededzi
Binyono.
wamuzana vathu avango like ungava like za 13 or 15
But my comment.
vamwe vavakoto muvudza vari he feminist inashumisa ka khotsi yanui it's best na mini prove nduni yavo tini niwoni una ukushuma shapu and una to mudededzi nyana. What are you still doing in his house? Hey! Oh, I have to give him a delete. Too late.
But don't want money. But you must say, cha. What do I say, Java? What do I say, cha?
Bros, I'm on the little what bad cheap babuis, Barohi, but in Dunyabo. And then the worst thing, no ring of them, no tongues or ring of them, baby one. You are kind of girls when you want to date you are. You want to the hit and run.
Emotional blackmailer. Emotional damager. No damage your emotional. You know.
Social media is something else. But I won't lie.
You are given different perspective.
Yeah.
But another chumra back in the days when you were just book at 300 followers, friends, mini. I remember what Jennifer Matira. She was once my friend on Facebook. Did you block you? I've not been on Facebook since 2007. Hey. When did we buy Foundry? That day was 2007 or 2006.
What?
When we went and buy Foundry.
You mean Foundry?
Don't worry. Foundry. You forgot what is Foundry? That drink called Foundry rachiranga ngafala kalam de expo chinchava shop ya vachipaza yabantu yazipet what
Peroni.
was it Baroni?
Foundry in the media.
Peroni.
There was Foundry also.
Peroni.
When was it? 2000
4. It was 4.
when was 2000
Italy.
Peroni ya kare.
Yeah.
Ndikuimbura Peroni.
That was 2008.
7.
2007.
2007.
Peroni.
Yeah, it was 2000. It was 2007.
Italy.
So,
Yeah.
which means I was on
Italy.
Facebook.
You green ya
2000
napondera zaone kana.
Yes.
I was on Facebook 2006 towards the end, and I became more active after Good Friday at 2007.
Why after Good Friday?
No, because that's when I had more access to
Obarabeleni yo.
computer.
Phones.
No. Phone. Nanchiri niko jana ka Facebook nga phone. Baba. Data when airtime at when randa
Yeah, to same time.
So I like don't go block.
That time the was separated.
Yeah.
Was there even data?
I was
Data was not even in fashion. We didn't even know about it. We were using airtime. You buy airtime when randa, you go in the internet and it flash it.
Nigga the Ruavo.
I was using a phone called CGM.
Yeah.
It was SGEM.
CM.
Where it's coming from?
Yes.
It's CGM.
The silent teller. The silent.
I remember that. So yeah, it was around that time. Then 2007. That's when I had access to computer with unlimited internet. Within 3 months, they limited me to 30 minutes of internet because the moment they gave me that computer and I had my hands on internet, I used it.
Site is on and the triple X.
Nah, I was long before that. I was doing a lot of research. I was reading a lot about hip hop and a lot of stuff. Then I remember I once printed the whole website. Yeah, I speak. What do you mean? Yeah, what do you mean hip hop? Mean? I speak. Yeah, not I speak hip hop. That one of the oldest magazine. Yeah, USA. Yeah, hip hop. I once printed it all. That general planning this was division. That presser control. Control mean
P.
All that printer website ela mchini wa pera mabambiri mdzimda pangale ngoko the printer ndakomolela ntshanga mrawo ndangara sinne ndari ndikona ndichuya ndawala mchini fila mchini wochinyara
We know you now.
I munda I printed it all hiphop.com
Rekomba nga hip hop. Atrachizeni back to the city. Tikiti zovando zivona. 50 years of hip hop, 40 years of hip hop,
50 years of
Zanzi.
I mean, like, I'm disappointed in a way that South African radios,
They're not promoting.
to them, I've spoken to a couple of radios, including my friend CRG, Kanyabo Benjamin, but I've spoken to a couple of radio stations.
You mean?
No, I wanted to pick their mind about 50 years of hip hop. And they will be like, what is it all about? I'm like,
I was talking about interviews, or you're talking to the managers.
Like, you know, when you're talking about people, like you're trying to find them, they should start talking about hip hop is 50 years on maybe producer.
Oh, yeah, on one of the shows.
And then like you realize,
Hip hop shows.
Yeah.
Even just to
Most of them, they don't have them.
Even if it's just by passing.
Yeah.
But you realize, they just speak about hip hop this, hip hop that. But they have no clue about hip hop. Most radios.
But they don't advertise for free.
No, it's not advertising. You just say they are able to go and say submarine, yeah, Ethiopia sinker guy 250 years ago. They talk about it, but they can't. And then, but they can't speak about hip hop is turning 50 years since it started in this year. That's the only thing they need to say. And then maybe they mention Etumwanga Bonyi, Haiti Mini, and engage Bronx na mini. But you look at it and like, okay, these people have no clue.
Mara abana hip hop show.
It's not about.
You get what I'm saying?
It's not about hip hop show. It's about history. Like they always go.
Mara on which show?
Yeah,
on which show?
Why much konamba history ya Dolly Parton ya music wa country. Wana show ya music wa country.
Yes.
Banazo, narigai banazo.
Country
Type your
pet power.
Cards if you
Jazz
and the cards if you
Mm.
because now I don't come for me. It's radios now social space that count. I've been to come for a lot of radios.
Because it's just that now, near when I go tell the big dude, I go tamba.
Angasembe history.
One song I go pop. Hey,
That's what I'm saying.
10, 50.
Yeah, just say you know what? Hey, as we play this hip hop show, guys, you know hip hop this year is turning 50 years. That's it.
Pezi, nyonga msoso pezi.
That kind of thing you just say, even if it's in passing, like you say about soccer.
What I can say.
No, kasoka una kulinki kwa honi. Unatuambua ngabona.
And kwambori you link. Ngani and then kwambori ngotamba wimbo na kwambori.
Let's say you are changing their program.
No, you're not changing. You are talking about, let's say you play Fugees, or you go back and you play some artists. This is when I want to track that was Snoop Dogg Zakara, and I want to Zakara, or MC Hammer. And go them, hey, MC Hammer, hey, what, guy. Hey, by the way, hip hop turned 50 years. Uncle Bon.
In Mzanzi.
Mzanzi's 40.
It's 14 Mzanzi.
It's 50 years in the world.
In the whole
worldwide, yeah.
America,
Yeah.
China.
For it's 40 years. Yeah, but we don't close that. Yeah, but I'm saying, Muri, you look at it, Diori, when let's say once you do the whole celebration and stuff, people be like, oh, guys, do you know, there was a festival celebrating hip hop 50 years. Then that's when they want to try to put you on an interview or kind of Pick and Pay.
Yeah.
Naka mama shop or naka web tickets.
You got
to make 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
General.
It's the general mezzo.
VIP, do you know how much?
VIP at 2 on our list.
Yeah.
I'm hoping I'll get the list soon. Maybe Karundin maybe to check.
Yeah.
Because probably like these 2 weeks I don't really
yeah.
No. But yeah, tickets are available, guys. Back to the City is the biggest hip hop festival in Africa.
Yeah.
Big up to DJ Kenzero. You're doing good overseas. You're doing good in America. I think it's in America or USA. Wherever in USA. You know DJ Kenzero?
No. Kenzero.
Damn, guys. Why it looks like Venda and then not in our business hip hop Marango?
DJ Kenzero.
Kenzero is one of the biggest hip hop DJ in South Africa.
Oh.
Kenzano. And then yeah, man, it's one of the big DJ, and then he goes overseas to perform and DJ a lot. I don't know where Milkshake is. The one said Milkshake.
Now was Zendi.
Zendi is still around.
Yeah.
Still doing Pick Up Limpopo. That guy Mara, he's funny. Enough about that. Yeah, but big up Back to the City. Get your tickets.
7 October.
Back to the City.
Back to the City.
Newtown. It's going down.
Yeah, you guys need to be there. Rariobona.
Hey,
number kana ribone.
Then it's back.
Number kana ilembe.
In you. Ilembe.
Hey,
wait. That guy, of course, well, before we go, that guy waka Ilembe. Otawanga fumo ari.
Zorin, tulibona.
I can't remember Rashid or Rufan. But that guy, you need to go see this Eda.
Can't be sort of guy.
You see that what Netflix did now? They brought the old one. Back is there now.
But that guy was. Oh, tell me what he.
No, but this new one.
Oima.
Even the storyline is not really correct.
Yeah.
What happened before that? If we complain about say this one's not a witch, that other one was a witch there on the new one. But they are saying no, but we are just doing this. But they say can't use.
They can use it. Not what like the one thing.
If you say,
hey, now fight.
Guys, lost people.
Hey,
thank you for watching.
No,
we love you guys. We love you guys. We love you guys. We love you guys. We love you
arali
guys.
arali hu vho Mpho Rathando hezwi zwa nga ngei ndo nṋe ndi ḓivha vha ri nyula a tshi gavha
You can't see your head.
Ndi nya tshigava.
that guy hola o gavha a vha coachara a actor a dovha vha shaka
Oh, shaka
Henry
kum Henry Cele.
nene muṋe the way Henry Cele a actor
Ndikwamba
That one looked like it was a real shark. It's like Jesus Christ.
ndikuri kwamba nduma muna chiri ogava actor a driver ndikuri kwamba jomasono
that guy
ndikuri kwamba jomasono
that guy actor so good actor so good uzwe nene muṋe shakati arali abuya apa shangoni angazopfi hai wena you are the wrong one
ndikuri kwamba jomasono chiri actor a reila kamene ndikuri kwamba jomasono
amara here Street Talk podcast